Ever hit a digital wall, told your account settings are blocking you? Let's smash through that experience unavailable error. This frustrating message pops up when your privacy or security settings are too restrictive, locking you out of features or content. Don't worry, we'll walk through how to fix it, step by step, across different platforms. First, we'll tackle common scenarios if you're seeing this on a social media platform. Head to your account settings and look for privacy or security options. Scroll down to see options related to content sharing, who can interact with you, and importantly, any app permissions you've granted. Sometimes, an app you've connected might have overly strict permissions. Go through each app and review its permissions. For example, if an app needs access to your location to function fully, but your privacy settings are set to never share, that could be the culprit. Try adjusting these to while using the app or allow access, if it makes sense for that specific service. For computer-based applications or operating system features, navigate to your system's main settings. Look for sections labeled Privacy, Security, or Permissions. Here, you'll find granular control over what applications can access your camera, microphone, location, and other sensitive data. Ensure that the application you're trying to use has the necessary permissions enabled. It's often a process of trial and error. If one adjustment doesn't work, don't be discouraged. Revert it and try another setting. The key is to ensure your account is configured to allow the specific content or feature you're trying to access. By methodically checking your privacy and security settings, you can unlock those restricted experiences and get back to enjoying your digital world to the fullest. Happy troubleshooting!